Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an absolute tech showdown that's gonna blow your mind. We've got three next-gen flagships battling it out. The epic Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, the insanely cool Motorola 60 Ultra, and Apple's revolutionary iPhone 16e. If you're all about crazy features, killer design, and insane performance, then buckle up because this review's about to get wild. First up, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. This beast is all about pushing boundaries with its signature curved edge-to-edge LTPO AMOLED edge display that not only delivers eye-popping colors but also runs a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, this phone crushes multitasking and gaming like a champ. And get this, it packs a mind-blowing 200-megapixel main camera that captures every detail, even in crappy low-light conditions. For anyone who loves a phone that's as flashy as it is functional, the S25 Edge is practically the dream come true. I mean, it's designed to impress while delivering top-notch performance for content creators and tech aficionados alike. Next, we've got the Motorola 60 Ultra. This one is for all you fans of sleek, no-nonsense design that still packs a serious punch. Motorola is keeping things modern and minimalist with a gorgeous 6.7-inch display that's perfect whether you're binge-watching, streaming, or digging into those productivity tasks. Under the hood, you get a custom chipset that promises robust performance without the fuss, plus a battery life that's totally built to keep up with your day. While it might not shout as loudly as some of the flashier models, the Motorola 60 Ultra wins hearts with its balanced features and user-friendly experience. It's basically the perfect pick for those who want solid performance wrapped in a stylish, understated package. Now let's jump over to the iPhone 16e, and man, Apple isn't holding back. Leveraging the insane power of the A18 chip, the iPhone 16e delivers a smooth, lightning-fast experience that makes everything from gaming to everyday tasks feel unbelievably snappy. And talk about cameras. This model rocks a 48 main sensor paired with next-level computational photography that turns every snapshot into a masterpiece. The design is sleek, premium, and unmistakably Apple, while the iOS ecosystem keeps everything seamlessly integrated and super secure. If you're all about that iconic Apple vibe and crave cutting-edge performance, the iPhone 16e is totally the way to go. Alright squad, that's the scoop on the three flagships shaking up 2025. So which one are you leaning towards? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you enjoyed the showdown, and be sure to subscribe for more next-gen tech reviews. Check out the description for all the deets and specs. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.